Hey y'all, we got a new drop. Came out this Saturday. And I want to tell everybody that's talking about Brick City, Brick City. Take a look. Take a look. This is a close up for you. Ooh, look at that. Once again, Kanye and them, they ain't disappointed. They gave us something nice. They gave us something nice we can rock, ladies and gentlemen. And that's the most important thing. And I'm sitting on 8 pairs. These are size 7. Great shoe. Let me give you guys a look at the box just in case, for counterfeit reasons, We hate them counterfeiters, y'all. Them guys, got that bull work, You can keep it family, You know what I'm saying? That bullshit, man. You know what? They got that bullshit. Even the family know it. But this right here, from the Yeezy Adidas collaboration company, doing what they supposed to do, bringing us some just real earth tones. And I know everybody hates the earth tones. I know. But this right here is a good everyday sneaker. Just throw this on, kick it. You don't even have to worry about the dirt. This is earth. Like, how easy do you want it to get? Like, the sole is not translucent. We have a nice gum brown sole, like typical boost. And this little, I don't know what kind of motivated this yellow. I feel like this is painted though, because on this pair is kind of it's whatever. But they definitely brought back the pull tab. I enjoy the pull tab. The heels, your heels, your heels. Those didn't have one, which is fine. I think those are fresh without the heel tab. But I do think a lot of the other colorways, like things that kind of like a lot of the shit that look like the Statics, the Yeshayas, that needed a pull tab. I don't understand they're trying to differentiate, but I don't know. I just didn't like that. Shoe was cool. It got a review of it. I think I don't remember. Is that it's out there like that? It's gone. But I sold them pretty relatively quick. Good 250, 260 price tag. These right here, for the most part, going 280, 300. I definitely do think they're worth that. These are nice shoes. These are going to be some shoes that you can buy and they're going to last. Like, and they'll be fashionable. They're going to last. They're going to be fashionable. You don't have to worry about extra cleaning. These are something you can, in this fall type of spring weather, you can rock and step in a puddle and be like, oh, that's messed up. Let me clean these off at the crib with some Rejuvenator. Or you could step in some Yeezy Zebras and be like, oh, fuck, this ain't gonna be right ever again. Ever. So, with that being said, if you got these for a hold, as far as an investment, I would sell everything 9 and up. If you want to keep a 9, do it. I'm keeping a 7. I'm keeping a size 7. I have a 13, 2 11 and a half, 9 and a half, 9, and a 10 and a half. So those I have full intentions of selling. 10 and a half is out of here already. 11 and a half, my cousin's interested. I got somebody talking on Facebook Market. You know how that goes. Mr. StockX Payout, all those people. Yeah, I'm dealing with that. That's always part of the hustle. StockX Payout. Like, bro, no. Like, what do you mean? So you want StockX Payout and no shipping? Wow. Well, I'm just wow. All right. But other than that, cop this shoe. If you want to cop the shoe from me, I'd be happy to serve you, Swerve. All right, because we all swerves in the sneaker game, bro. We copping all these by the bulk, by how many you got. We trying to load up. That's swerve mentality. You feel me? And that's fine when it comes to sneakers. Everything else, don't do everything else. No, I can't co-sign that. But when it comes to the sneakers, especially fire joints like this, yeah, we're gonna be swerve activity out here. So I want you to do is hit the like button, the comment. Tell me, is this something you're gonna keep, something you're gonna hold, personal? What's going on in your mind? Do you just hate them? So a lot of people say they don't like them, they plain, they just whatever. A lot of people are like, yo, I didn't get, I don't have an Oxford 10. This is Oxford 10 compatible as far as that brown spectrum. So this might be a lot of people's replacement grail, and these might be a lot of people's like, yo, that's a waste of time, bro. But there's definitely room to resell. I know some of y'all don't like resellers, so back up. I'm a reseller. So go ahead and follow that eBay link in the description. Go ahead and follow that IG link in the description. It's sneaker_swerve. Get at me. We'll definitely take care of you in the inbox. Whatever questions you have, need, if you want to do some reservations, we do that as well. It's a one-man show currently, but as you can see from some of my videos, we pick up some heat. Like, we pick up some heat, all right? So what I'm going to do for y'all is give you one more look around of this. And for you guys can really enjoy it. You can see no glue stains. It's relatively good. I did see one pair with the glue stain on this portion, but it was something a little bit back here, and it was nothing major. Like, I believe it would be removable with Rejuvenator, like the brush, a little harder brush. You know what I'm saying? Play with it a little bit. Shout outs to whoever got that pair at Finish Line, because you need to check your pair. Because that's what I did. So if you have any questions, let me know, please, because these are sold out. These aren't in stores. It was a relatively quick sellout. The store that I got them from, I shop a lot at Finish Line, and the Finish Line dude said they got 30, and they're only at 3 other Finish Lines, and the one in the really expensive fancy mall, I won a raffle there. I won these, the size 7s there, but they didn't have first come, first serve pair. They only had raffle pair. And, yo, you know how that goes. I'm waiting for all those people to hit me up on Facebook Marketplace like, hey, pay out. You know, we don't do payout, ladies and gentlemen. Just letting you know. So please don't come over here with that. We can't do that, ladies and gentlemen. We can't do payout. All right, we can do a market. We can do what market says. I want to save you shipping, so I'll give you market. I might probably take another $5 off it just for the fact that you bought from me. But come on, man, with that whole I got $55 for you, bro. If you got $55 for me, that's great. I'm glad you can spend that somewhere else. I'm gonna send this to StockX if that's the case. People always talking about resellers and StockX and Jumper Man Chris always talking about the little Timmys and Tommies. And that's true, though. Like Timmys and Tommies turn into Timmy and Tommies because people want to be extra cheap. And when you extra cheap, you screw up the market. If you want to buy this shoe for $280, it's a good price. Pay $280 for it, bro. Don't wait 4 months down the line. You'll be paying $350. It's gonna be, you know what I'm saying, ridiculous. But cop this $280. Do I think they're gonna go to $350? Maybe the size 7. Maybe. Size 13, 11 and a half, stuff like that. I don't see that. I see if anything staying at the price it is. It's $300. But it's definitely not gonna be $400 shoe. That's not gonna happen. But let me know what you think of the video. Description for the eBay store and Instagram will be in the description. Like, subscribe, hit me up. I conversate with everybody. You like what's going on? Let me know, please.